In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly to schedule a meeting. By the end, you'll have a single-use link you can send to someone so they can confirm a specific time without all the back and forth. Start on your Calendly dashboard and click Create. This is your starting point for setting up a new invitation. We're keeping this quick and focused, so choose one-off meeting. A one-off meeting is perfect when you already have a time in mind and just want the other person to confirm it, rather than exposing your broader availability. You'll see your calendar view. Select the date and time you want to propose. Calendly checks your connected calendars and only shows times that are truly open, so you're not double booked. Take a moment to glance at the time zones shown on the page to make sure it matches what you expect. If you work across regions, it's a good habit to pick a time that's comfortable for both sides. Once you've picked the slot, click Next to move to the details. Here, enter a clear meeting name. Aim for something descriptive and friendly like Project Kickoff or Intro Chat so your guest immediately understands the purpose. Short, specific titles help reduce confusion later and make the invite look professional. Next, select the location. Choose how you plan to meet, whether that's a video conference, a phone call, or an in-person address. If you use an online meeting platform, pick that option so the join details appear automatically on the invite. If it's a phone call, indicate who will call whom and at what number. The goal is to make joining effortless for your guest. With the details ready, click Share Meeting Link. Calendly generates a unique confirmation page tied to the exact date and time you selected. This keeps things simple for your invitee. They don't have to browse your availability, they just confirm the slot you proposed. Finally, click Copy Link. Now you can paste that link into an email, a chat, or anywhere you prefer. When your guest opens it, they'll see the meeting name, location, and the chosen time, and they can confirm in one click. Once they do, Calendly automatically sends calendar invites and notifications to both of you, so everything lands on your calendars without extra work. That's it. You created a one-off meeting, picked a time, added the essentials, and shared the link. Use this flow anytime you want to lock in a single meeting quickly and keep scheduling simple.